Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add text in a portrait photo. First, you have to cut the subject out of the background. Here, layer 1 is the subject that already separated. In background layer, click to this icon to create a new layer. Set foreground color to the color of background. Fill its color with shortcut Alt or Option Delete. Copy all the text in this notepad. Pick up text tool, like in foreground color. Choose your font. Draw a shape to cover all the document. Paste the text 2 times to fill up the document. Enter to complete. In Character tab, set the height between text at 20. Size at 90. Take the text layer below layer 1. Press Ctrl Alt G or Command Option G to clip and map layer 1 to text layer. In text layer, increase the size to 95. Create black-white adjustment layer. Red -19, yellow 0. Create curve adjustment. Add contrast to it by increasing highlight and decreasing shadow. Reduce text size to 85. Height 25. Enjoy! Hope that you like this tutorial. Hit like and leave comments in case you want me to clarify something on this clip. Thanks for watching.